Hello, Seka students. This is the next video and is about the three parts that we'll still need to review of the movers speaking test. So here is an image of it's a summary of the procedures that the examiner uses. You can read them slowly to understand them. I'm going to be explaining to you the next three parts that we still have for the speaking test. Let's go to the part of the two pictures. We have two pictures, two images, and in this part, the examiner will ask the child to see the picture carefully and find the differences. For example, here in the first picture is a cloudy day, but in the second picture is a sunny day. So you need to find the differences between these two pictures. In the next part, you have four images. The examiner will ask the student or the child to watch carefully each image. And then we'll start with the first image. In the first image, the examiner will start the story. For example, Fred loves food. Look at the first picture. Fred is at home with his family. They are in the kitchen and Mom is giving him his dinner. Now you continue the story. This is an example. In this part, the examiner will give you the first example and then ask you to find the odd picture, the one that doesn't belong to those that are in the lines. For example, in the first line, we can see a lemon or a lime, pineapple, a book, and an orange. You cannot eat the book. Therefore, the odd picture is the book. Now we are going to see or to watch a video and we are going to follow along with the images. Listen carefully.
Hello, my name's Chris. What's your name?
My name is Sole.
How old are you, Sole?
I'm 11 years old.
Look at these pictures. They look the same, but some things are different. Here there are 3 trees, but here there are 2 trees. What other different things can you see?
In the first,
We can see the same picture in our image and the video. So listen carefully to what the children or the boy is going to answer.
picture there is a different is a cloudy, but in the second is a sunny.
Very good.
In the first picture is brown, but in the second is green.
Good.
In the first is standing, but it isn't. And in the first picture there are two ducks, but near the car. But in the second picture there is a two ducks aren't near the car.
Very good, Sole. These pictures show a story. It's called The Clever Dog.
Now we're going to follow along and is this picture of the story. Okay, so we can follow. Listen to what the kid says.
Look at the pictures first. Holly and John are playing table tennis in the garden. The baby and the dog are there too. Mum's saying, "Please watch the baby for me." Now, you tell the story.
While John and Ollie are playing the table tennis, the baby is going near the tree, and the dog look the baby. After the mom doesn't watch the baby, and the dog finds the baby, and the family is happy.
Very good.
Okay, then we are going to the next part, and this is the last one. So listen to what the examiner and the boy says.
Now, look at these 4 pictures. One is different. The book is different. A lemon, a pineapple, and an orange are fruit. You eat them. You don't eat a book. You read it. Now, you tell me about these pictures. Which one is different?
But the first, the third, and the fourth are cooking.
Good.
The first, the second, and the fourth is eating, but the third is drinking. They are in a supermarket, but she is in a bus station.
Very good, Sole. Now, let's talk about your family.
Okay, and this last part is the part where they ask you the personal questions. Okay, so let's listen, and with this we conclude the video of the part of speaking in MOVERS speaking test. Okay.
How many people are there in your family?
The people in my family is 6.
Okay. Who's the oldest in your family? Is your dad the oldest?
Yes.
What do you like doing with your family?
I play with cards.
Do you like watching TV?
Yes, with my...
Okay, so with this we conclude. There are different questions that they can ask you, and that is the first video we put. So you can watch the first video and practice the personal questions, and now you know what parts the MOVERS speaking test has. Okay, so I hope you can practice at home, and I'll see you in the next video.